Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the 50 Stack Challenge 2 hosted by Amy of Crafty Cat. And our prompts for this week is soft and rough. So I've got soft as this flower, and I've got rough as these pine needles. So I hope you'll enjoy this video, and I hope you're having a great Valentine's Day. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge 2 to see what everyone else has made. There's some very, very talented people. So without further ado, let's get started. I am taking some old book pages I had from a book I used the cover for a journal, and I'm just going to fold them in half and glue them, and I'm going to make pockets for my challenge today. Now I'm going to collage the pockets using, here is just part of a leftover dictionary page that I'd used in a previous project, and I have some images from Mrs. Cogg's crafts that I like, and just some scraps that I find, and I just collage my pockets to make them pretty. I use one of my paper punches to punch thumb holes at the top, and then I start to decorate with different pieces, and I just keep playing around with the pieces I have to go with my prompt pieces to see what I like. So I just keep auditioning. I try out things until I get something that I'm happy with. I like to ink, so I ink my pieces as well. Once I'm happy with what I see, I just go ahead and glue it down onto my pocket. And now I ink around my pocket just to make it pop. Now I decide to add a few splatters using my watercolors. Well, here are my finished pockets. I hope you like this. And if you do, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. I really appreciate y'all watching my videos, and I appreciate any interaction you can give me. It really helps my channel to grow. And it means a lot to me. I really appreciate all of my subscribers. So, I hope you have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Amy's channel at Crafty Cat, and be sure and check out the hashtag 50 Stack Challenge too to see what everyone else has made. Again, have a wonderful Valentine's Day, and until next time, bye y'all.